Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarangan. Today you are going to learn a new topic, refraction of light from Science and Technology Part 1. In this video you will learn glass slab experiment. So let us begin the experiment. We will begin with the materials. First of all, we require a glass slab. Then for purpose of drawing outlines and ray diagram, we require pencil, needles, scale and drawing material. First of all, put the glass slab on the white paper and draw the outline of the glass slab. Once we draw the outline, we will draw an inclined straight line as shown in the figure. Now we have to pierce two pins along this straight line. Observe carefully, I have pierced two pins here. To proceed further in this experiment, we have to look at pin A and B through this glass slab. In this way, after looking through the glass slab, we have to pierce third and fourth pin on the opposite side of this glass slab. But you have to be careful that all these four pins must be in a straight line. You can observe carefully that we have pierced four pins that are in straight line. After performing this experiment, remove glass slab and pins. Now we have to join point C and D where we have pierced third and fourth pin. You can refer the diagram. You may observe that line AB and CD intersects our glass surface. The point where they intersect, we have to draw two perpendiculars. Observe the diagram carefully. Ray AB is entering in the glass slab. This ray is called as incident ray, and this ray made an angle with the normal. That angle is called as angle of incidence. Ray CD is coming out from the glass slab, so it is called as emergent ray. And the angle made by emergent ray with the normal is called as angle of emergence. Now we will join point M and N on the glass surface. See, outside the glass surface there was air medium. When light entered from air to glass medium, it has changed its path. It has bent towards the normal. The ray which has bent towards the normal has made an angle with normal. That angle is called as angle of refraction. Remember, whenever the light ray enters from rarer medium to denser medium. In this experiment, air was rarer medium and glass slab was denser medium. When light ray enters from rare to dense medium, it bends towards the normal. If glass slab was not present, then the ray of light may go in a straight line. But because of presence of glass slab, the light ray bent towards the normal. At this point, the light ray is entering in air medium. So, whenever the light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. I repeat, observe the diagram carefully. Outside the glass medium, there was air medium. Whenever the light enters from rare medium to dense medium, it bends towards the normal. And when light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. I hope that you have well understood this experiment. We will meet in the next part with the laws of refraction and remaining part of the topic. Thank you.